During a chiropractic adjustment, the sound is not bones.
What's actually like? I guess maybe I don't know if it's on nerd terms. But what's going on when it's when the bones are what's cracking? Like what is that?
Yeah.
Like what is that actually going on that makes that sound?
During a chiropractic adjustment, the sound is not bones. It's not the bones like moving together. That's what most people think.
Yeah.
Like, it's the bones crunching, but it's not. It's the pressure being released. Like when you open a can of soda and you hear that.
Wow.
It's the pressure gas being released.